we have a problem related with profit and loss. One question is here. A watch seller gains 20% by selling a watch for rupees 1260. A watch seller, when he sell the watch, he gains 20% profit. At what price he will sell? 1260. In number 1, what was its cost price? We have to find out CP. And in number 2, if he had to gain 30%, at what price should he sold it? Again, we have to find out selling price. Okay, like this question I was already uploaded on previous episode, so this one is a little bit different. Let's start. A watch seller gains 20%. Profit is equal to 20% by selling a watch for rupees. This means selling price of watch is equal to 1260 rupees. Okay. Here, selling price of watch, SP of watch is equal to rupees 1260, and gain percent, profit percent, is equal to 20%. In number 1, what was its cost price? We have to find out cost price of the watch. Now, what is the formula of CP when SP and profit percent is given? SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. SP is equal to 1260 into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. Profit percent is 20. When you solve this, we get cost price. When you add this, 120 is equal to rupees 1050. We get cost price 1050. Again, according to question number 2, if he had to gain 30%, now he want to gain 30%. Cost price same is equal to rupees. At what price he purchased that? 1050. Now he want to gain 30% profit. So at what price he have to sell that watch? So SP we have to find out here. Before he sold that watch at rupees 1260, he got 20% profit, but now he want to get 30% profit. So at what price he have to sell? Cost price is same. He purchased that watch at rupees 1050. Now at what price he have to sell to get 30% profit? So selling price formula we have to use SP formula, CP 100 plus profit percent by 100. So while you put the values, you will get selling price. Okay, let's put the value now. CP is equal to 1050. 100 plus profit percent is 30 by 100. 1050 into 130. While adding, we get 130 by 100 is equal to rupees 1365. So at rupees 1365, if he will sell at rupees 1365, he will get 30% profit. To get 30% profit, he have to sell that watch at rupees 1365.